Hey guys, this is AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. Last December, I purchased this 2001 MRS with a blown 1ZZ. Now, I replaced the 1ZZ and I replaced a whole bunch of stuff on the outside to stop it from leaking. So check out what I did. Nice. Beautiful. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah. We're over here at O'Reilly's testing the MR2 Spyder Alternator. Hopefully it's going to pass. And survey says, passed. So here's what my original motor looked like. This is my 1ZZ out of my 2001 MRS Spyder. You can see it's pretty dirty. It's got all kinds of grease all over it. And I took all the extra pieces off it and just took it off and I transferred it to another motor. Okay, so now this looks a lot better. Check it out. So this is the 1ZZ that I got from Project Flexo. You can see right in here, we've got a new water pump. We have a new belt tensioner. We have a factory idler as well. And over on this side over here, oops, this guy right here is a brand new oil dipstick O-ring. Obviously everything's been completely cleaned up. All these injectors in here, this one's not connected, but that's because I have the wires in the way, or the chains in the way rather. But all the injectors have been cleaned by RC Fuel Injection. Thank you so much. We cleaned out the whole intake. I didn't do too much cleaning on the transmission, but it did get a little bit of cleaning. Got a new boot, new remain seal, sealed up the oil pan. This is a brand new hose right here, this vacuum hose. This is brand new. Let's see here, what else do we got? I replaced a lot of the hardware because I just didn't want to clean it. But you can see on the other side over here, check out how clean the block is. Block's looking pretty clean. And again, I cleaned the whole wiring harness. So the whole harness is completely clean. You don't get greasy at all. Anyhow, we're about ready to go into here. We've got the whole interior all set up. All the stuff's pulled out of the way. Look how wide open it is underneath in here. Also fixing that ground wire right there. Put in a new insulation or insulator on there. Split loom, whatever you want to call it. Also fixed this one right here, this guy right here. Got some new split loom on that. And look, there's the AC compressor ready to go on. Let's get this thing rocking and rolling, put her in.